Jai Hind. The 134th edition of the Durand Cup kicks off immediately after the successful conduct of Operation Sindhu. It emphatically endorses the connect of sports with valor, the qualities and determination of a soldier and that of a sportsman are reflected in one another, such that one will always find a sportsman in a soldier and a soldier in a sportsman. The Durand Cup dates back to year 1888, when the tournament began as an Army Cup. Ever since, the Indian Army has been spearheading the conduct. More so, after independence, the saga and prestige of the tournament has grown leaps and bounds. The legacy of Durand Cup tournament has become an inseparable part of the Army, celebrating talent, camaraderie, and tenacity. It's with great sense of pride that I welcome all the teams, particularly the teams from our friendly foreign countries, Nepal and Malaysia. I also acknowledge the new participants this year, that is, the football clubs of One Ladakh, Karbi Anglong Morning Star, South United, Diamond Harbour, and Namdhari. This year, we will witness intense competition at multiple venues, including Kolkata, Kokrajhar, Shillong, Jamshedpur, and Imphal, echoing the unity and diversity of our great nation. To all the players, I say, play with heart, play with honor, and play with fire. All the very best and continue to spread the legacy and values of this great tournament. Let the warrior spirit meet sporting glory. Jai Hind.